to Tristan's Toy Show! Hi guys, welcome to Tristan's Toy Show. Today we're going to be unboxing the Megalodon Monster Wash.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
So it comes with Megalodon.
So these are the ones that are sold separately. Grave Digger, Earth Shaker, Full Charge, Blue Thunder, Max D, Radical Rescue. I haven't heard of that one. Have you?
It's an old one.
Megalodon Pirate's Curse.
So we got our co-star little Jackson. He's 18 months old. He's my little baby.
We are filming in Jackson's toy room today. Hold on. Alright, we're going to open this up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be fun to set up.
So we're back done building it. This is what it looked like. We're going to put some cold water in here to change the color.
Some ice water.
And then we're going to put it in.
Then we're going to put some warm water in this side.
I'm going to close this.
Alright, then what?
Now we're going to do a couple more times. And then now we're going to turn it. This is what it looks like this way. Whoa.
Did it change colors?
Nope. This is what it looks like when you get it. And then this is what it's going to look like when it's you put it in hot cold water. Look, it changed colors.
What changes? That?
Yeah. It's all muddy.
Oh, okay, I get it. So it looks like it's muddy when it gets cold. Before the change, and then you put him in cold water, and then he's muddy. There he is.
So I just got it in the mud.
So we got a muddy monster truck about to go through the car wash. You ready?
Yep. This one's gonna go faster. Ew, look at how dirty that water is.
Jackson's on the corner eating.
Alright, that's enough. Let's roll them up.
Through the car wash.
Look, by the way, guys, look at how dirty that water looks.
Oh.
Okay, let's go in then. Let's get them back and forth. Down.
Where'd he go?
So I went to put this in the backyard, got it dirty. It's super dirty. So we're going to drive it up. This also had like a spider in it.
What?
Oh, and I got it wet. Dirty. Let's get them extra clean. This one's after this one. It's Hot Wheels monster truck. Okay. So you can also spin this where you can choose which side you want it to go. We're gonna do two at a time. Whoa. Bye guys. We're gonna end the video here. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to check out our other Monster Jam videos in the link in the description on our channel playlist. Bye.